Hey folks, my name is Aaron and I help revenue-focused teams at IT companies and software companies build pipeline by leveraging LinkedIn and video. And I know this approach is appropriate for you because I've spent my entire 10-year career in sales and marketing, blood, sweat, and tears dedicated to email marketing, events and trade shows, as well as outbound telemarketing. And what I can tell you is those approaches totally worked back in 2005, 2011, even 2016, just as of a couple of years ago. But people aren't opening your emails anymore. And if they do, a lot of times, if it's not segmented and targeted, they're unsubscribing. And I know we have a badge of honor about making 80 outbound phone calls a day and trying to set a couple appointments. But without that context or the potential buyer on the other side, whether that person's in the security part of the business you're selling to, or if they're in IT operations, let's say, that person doesn't trust your sales rep or even your executives or engineers, the likelihood of them taking the meeting is slim. And the way we build that trust is through video and getting the faces of your people out there. And so what my solution is helping folks do is save you time and really enable your sales team, your leaders, and your engineers to get their faces out there and share the message of your business to not just make some connections in the space, but build that pipeline. And this really ties into any existing email marketing or outbound phone strategy or event strategy you may have. It pairs very well with technical workshops in person as well as webinars. And so if you think this may be a fit, if you're feeling stuck with building your pipeline and generating new business, I think with my industry experience and your appetite to buy into some of this new forward-leaning marketing, we can do some damage together. So head over to my website where in about 5 minutes, I'm gonna outline sort of the process, methodology, and approach on this, what return on investment will look like, and not only how your sales and revenue-focused teams internally will feel doing this, but how your potential customers and existing customers will feel too by humanizing the selling process in your product and solution offering with videos, just getting people talking about what you can do to make their lives better. So if you think we're a fit, fill out the form at the website, and I really look forward to speaking with you sometime in the near future. Thanks.